Hey guys, how's it going? This is the HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to my featured channel of the week. This is a video series that I started a little while back when YouTube first started changing its monetization policies. I found it a really great way to help spread the word on some of the smaller channels and be able to get their names out there. A lot of these smaller channels are very hard to pop up in the search algorithm, and they do not get a lot of the exposure they deserve. They offer a lot of value to everyone that watches them, and they have a lot of cool little videos that I really wish that would be able to be spread a lot faster. So what I'm going to do today is feature a channel that I really enjoy, and I really hope that you enjoy it. I'm going to have more information on this channel coming up in just a second. Please stay tuned. Alright, so let's get right into it. Who's going to be our featured channel of the week this week? This week our featured channel comes all the way from the UK, and at the time of filming this video he has right around 300 subscribers. He's a carpenter and joiner by trade and a family man at home. He has a wife and 2 kids, and one of his favorite pastimes is fishing. He finds it very relaxing and it is something very fun that he likes to do outside of lock sport. But from a log sport perspective, where he really stands out is he's a very talented picker. Throughout his channel you can see him opening up many difficult locks, and he does it very well and composes his videos in a way that are both entertaining to watch and you can learn a lot from them. Another thing he likes to do is make a lot of different challenge locks, send them out, and be involved in the community. And one of his third strengths is he makes some really nice custom picks. I hope I'm going to be able to review one very soon, and I'll be able to share that with you. But without further ado, our featured channel of the week this week is going to be UKLockPicker. If you ever want to check out his channel more, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell. That will really help his channel stand out and be able to be searched more. If you enjoy his picks when you see his highlight reel, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave his email address on the screen here, and also I'll add it in the description below. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show the highlight reel that UKLockPicker made himself, and we're going to let that roll right now. That's the puppy. That's it open. Three, and we've got the open. GG, Euro. 4. 4 feels weird. I'd like to know what's in 4. This is, I'll be buzzing if this is picked now. Oh my life. There you are. That's it picked. Yeah, that's it open. Five, stiff. Yeah. Back of the lock. There we are. We have the open. Let's see what's inside. That's what was in that one. This one's binding really hard. There you are. That's the open. Thank you so much for checking out the highlight reel on UKLockPicka. He's continually putting out some really high quality content. He puts a lot of work into his videos, and they're a lot of fun to watch. If you'd like to see more videos that are made by UKLockPicka, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link up on the top here, and that will link you directly to his channel, and you can watch more of his videos. But if you'd like to get his videos sent to you directly, what you can do is consider subscribing and clicking the bell. Every subscription makes a big difference. It will help his channel be able to pop up higher in the search algorithm and just make his channel more well known. Thank you guys so much for checking out UKLockPicka. He's a really great guy. And if you ever want to check out some of the custom picks that he makes, they are really cool picks, and I'm going to be doing a review on them very soon. If you would like to have some contact information so you can be able to reach out to him, what I'll do is I'll put some of his info in the description below, and I'll put his info on the screen here, and you'll be able to reach out to him very easily. One quick thing I'd like to add about UKLockPicka is that he really enjoys trading and meeting new people. He loves to trade locks. It is a great way for you to be able to grow your skill set. Being able to trade locks not only allows you to meet new people, but it allows you to try out many different locks that you may not have been otherwise able to. You can get locks all across the world, and you can really start to grow your skills. UKLockPicka also really enjoys trading his challenge locks. He has a lot of fun making them. He really enjoys watching people pick them, and he loves to learn from other people. He's always trying to improve his challenge locks and make them more fun. If you guys would ever like to trade with UKLockPicka, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put his email in the description below, and I'll also put it on the screen on the bottom here. He's a very easy guy to come into contact with, and he's very friendly and just loves to meet people. So if you guys want to consider trading some locks, please keep UKLockPicka in mind. But either way guys, that is all I have for you today. This has been my featured channel of the week on UKLockPicka. If you guys have any channels that you'd like to suggest that I do a featured channel of the week on, please send me an email at HelpfulLockPicker@gmail.com, and I'd really love to check out the channel and try to get started on making one of the videos. This is a really fun project for me. I really enjoy trying to spread the word and make a lot of the smaller channels more successful. Locksport is such a supportive community, and I really like seeing everyone having a chance to be very successful on YouTube. Either way guys, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you all have a great day, and thank you so much.